Hi guys. In today's tutorial, we're diving into column graphs in Adobe Illustrator. Whether you're working on data visualization, infographics, or presentations, learning how to create and customize column graphs will be a game changer. So let's get started. You can access the column graph tool from the toolbar on the left by clicking this icon. You can see a wide variety of graph tools here. And to create any of the graphs, the procedure remains the same. So let's click the column graph tool to proceed. To place the graph onto the screen, you need to select the area where you want your graph. So click and drag on the canvas to define the size of your graph. The moment you release the mouse, you'll find this flat-looking black rectangle with a graph data window where you'll enter your data. I'm going to type in a few random numbers on the spreadsheet, and with each number, press enter to register the number. And once you've typed in all your numbers that you want to base your graph on, click this check mark on the right, at which point you should be able to see a column graph, like we usually see in MS Excel. Let me also share that Illustrator is not as intelligent yet as MS Excel when it comes to graphs or charts. And it's simply because it's an application whose primary purpose is to do something else. Creating graphs or charts, for that matter, is just an addition so as to ensure you don't get stuck if your project demands it. And I'm sure they will add the necessary enhancements in due course. Moving on. Once we have our graph, we can close the input window by clicking the X button on the top right corner of the window. Okay, now to further enhance our graph or to colorize it, we need to pick the direct selection tool from the toolbar. Actually, let's increase the width of the artboard just slightly and place the graph in the center of the screen. Let's pick the column on the right and then go to the fill option on the right and pick a color of your choice. Similarly, pick different colors for all the other columns to beautify your graph further. The editing doesn't remain restricted to just the columns. You can always use the type tool to modify or replace text labels for better clarity. So let's pick the type tool from the toolbar. Select the text and pick a font of your choice to customize it. Similarly, you can do it for the other labels as well. To add labels to the bottom of the chart, simply click and drag to create a text box, and then type in your text. And then you can customize it further should you want. I'm going to press Shift and Alt on a PC or Shift and Option on a Mac and click and drag to copy the text for the rest of the columns, and then customize the text further as needed. That's it for today's tutorial on creating and customizing column graphs. With these techniques, you can design professional-looking data visuals for any project. Using the same technique, you can easily draw the other charts available in Illustrator. So keep creating. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.